Good morning guys and welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout natin especially si Sir Neil ng Naga Kamsor. Welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. So ating unbox ngayon is the double bell airsoft pistol, gas blowback airsoft pistol ng double bell. Model number 728. This is MEU model by Double Bell. So may kasama na siyang case, automatic kay Double Bell. Lahat ng pistol ni Double Bell ay may kasamang hard case. Ayan, tapos may kasama na siyang cleaning rod. Pwede rin panundot ng bara. Extra loading nozzle. Ito yung magazine, metal din yung magazine. Unit. Full metal po siya. Full metal gas blowback airsoft pistol. Naka-ambidextrous, manual safety. Fixed rear sight, fixed front sight, beaver tail safety, gate markings. And may kasama na siyang gas. Pop Dyno 12 standard. At bala 4,000 shots. Plastic ball. Ayan. 1911. So 728. Model number 728 din. 728. Natin silicone oil. Sa paglo-load naman po ng gas, inverted, dapat inverted position, pati warik po yung magazine. Eto, tutok nyo lang doon sa valve na yun. Then, 3 to 5. Bilangan nyo lang po, 3 hanggang 5 segundo. Ayan. Okay, testing. Sir Neil ng Naga Kamsor. Shout out. Okay, firing. Release the magazine. Balik nyo lang yung slide. Hammer down. Okay. All goods na tayo, sir. Double bell 728. Gas blowback airsoft pistol.